So I think the thing that really characterises the School of Biosciences is the breadth of topics that we cover. So people study plants and animals and fungi. We also go from the very smallest things like molecules and cells right up to whole organisms and how they interact with their environment. Big problems that we tackle with this research range from things like dealing with the effects of climate change, food security, how to control pests by genetic means, how to deal with biomedical problems like male infertility. There's a massive breadth of topics and problems that we're addressing. So doing a Master of Bioscience at the University of Melbourne puts you in touch with researchers that are at the very cutting edge of research. It's situated in a fantastic precinct, particularly for things like biomedical studies. There's world-class institutes, research institutes like the Peter Mac Cancer Centre and the Walter and Eliza Hall Institute. So the Master of Science in Biosciences is classed as a coursework master's, but actually you do more research than coursework. You're getting access to the very best researchers in the world. So the research typically stretches over 4 semesters, and the amount of research that you do will increase through that period. So typically you'll start with just 1 subject's worth in the first semester, building up to doing nothing but research in that last semester. So you also get to choose 3 elective subjects, and this is where you can really personalise the masters to kind of define who you are as a researcher or a scientist and set you up for that next stage of your career. So in keeping with the broad range of topics that our school looks at, the graduates from our course go on to a broad range of careers. Many who don't do a PhD still stay associated with universities and can take on roles like administrative roles or research assistants, occupational health and safety roles, science communicator roles. Students can also work for industry and do research there. They can work for government organisations, museums, Zoos Victoria, places like that. They might go on to biomedical research institutes like the Peter Mac, work as research assistants. So the understanding that they gain about research can also support careers like law and government policy. So it's not just research, your understanding of research helps you in other areas. So the world's facing a number of big challenges, and I'd say that the skills that the students get in our course really equips them to be part of the solution to those problems.